Hi friends, you're most welcome back. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to use 5BSS. Yeah, so this is it. So just make sure that you type in, go to 5BSS. Simple as that. Is a very simple application to use to get your job today. So when you're on 5BSS, what you have to do, just go to create an account, or before that you can even check around to see possible jobs. So far we have only 2 jobs, as you can see. That's loaded up, and also in the other way you can always apply. So where do you get this? We have different categories, as you can see, from 5BSS, that you can always click there and pick if there's a job, given partial job. So as you can see here, there's no job yet uploaded for us, but you have satirical job and have web development. So there are other more jobs that I think they're going to upload into the application. So this is it. So when I just come in here, I can always click apply. So there, remember, you have to make sure you have logged in. So you can log in with the Gmail, or you can just proceed. So you have to just make sure you have Gmail account into, you have to, the very email you registered with is the very email you have to use here. Because when you click on register in here, you're going to get definitely an email which will be sent here to verify you. So you just have to make sure you have a a valid email address. Then the next thing, I'm just going to put in my email address, and I simply try to log into the application. So once I tap into register successfully, definitely I should get a 5BSS email that's going to tell me to definitely put into my application. So remember, this email is one-time use, so this is it. So if you put something wrong, definitely you can't access it because you don't have the privilege. So definitely you have to give the right token. So the token is one use, so don't worry about that people seeing it, maybe whatever. So on the other way around, the application is much more secure. So if you're done with registering, I think you can see my account is actually 40% complete, but that's not the big reason here at the moment. Or the account is just 40% complete, you can still apply for a job. So this is it. Go down here, look for maybe a job you want to apply for. For example, go to one on us website designing. So when I click there, when I click on website designing, I can see a job here like website designing. I'm a web developer, so I click there. Definitely, it's going to load for me job. So you can see this job was posted by somebody in Uganda, in Kampala. The review of this person so far is just that, no yet review, and it was posted in that date. And also on the other way around, this is the description of the job. So it even tells you you are the first person to apply for the job. So this definitely, this is what you have to see. Even they have given it project ID, which was generated from this project. And also here the disclaimer. So whoever try to apply for this job, you just have to make sure when you apply to this job and then maybe someone else wants to do this job from Telegram or WhatsApp or something of that sort, they are actually not responsible. 5BSS is not responsible for you to use their system outside. So if you get a job from 5BSS, you just have to make sure you'll be paid by 5BSS. They are much trustworthy people. They will pay you your money. So every payment is done on 5BSS. Anything outside 5BSS, they are not responsible. Then here you just have to describe the jobs, because this is web development. This is a description what the person said. He wants a simple website. So I can simply say maybe hello. Maybe I'm a website developer. Maybe I really need this job. Get simple as that. So when I come in here, remember the person has put in here $10 to $15. So for you can just maybe say I'm going to work at maybe $45. And then the days, I may take maybe 5 days for this job. When I click there, I think I'll see job uploaded successfully, and the application is so fast. Within just after uploading, you can find that that job is taken. So if you come and see down here and go back maybe under here still, you're going to find yourself that this job that really recently uploaded is so far you have already applied to this job. And they also have something called the bid. So meaning when you by default when you register on 5BSS, by default you just get a free bid. So I encourage you guys to go to 5BSS, register today, be the first people to apply for these jobs, and find yourself when the year starts, you have a job for you. You have a job with yourself. What I'm trying to make sure you have a job. Thank you.